Hello and welcome to the Quantemol-VT with Quantemol-DB tutorial video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can use QDB once you have access to the API link between your plasma modeling software and QDB. On a side note, you can use other plasma modeling software that can be linked to QDB, so to find out more about this, please email us at info@quantemol.com. So let's get started. Now, as an example, I'm just going to use a simple ICP. Now, if you're interested in finding out a little bit more about how to use QVT itself, how to generate the mesh and manipulate the materials, for example, there is a separate tutorial video on this, and I'll pop a link to that below. But in this case, we're interested in the chemistry, so I'm going to go to the chemistry tab over here. And you can see a list of the species that you've currently got. I'm going to click on reactions, and when I do that you can see there's a button just over here that says connect to QDB, and that's what you want to click on. What will pop up is a box that allows you to choose whether you're looking for reactions or whether you want to get chemistries. And by that I mean the complete validated chemistries which are available on QDB. These are constantly being updated, as are the reactions. But to begin with, I'm just going to select on finding reactions and show you how to do that. So click on OK. And what will pop up is the species that you have available. So you can select whatever you're interested in. I'm just going to select them all in this case and retrieve reactions. So there we go, and we can see a list of the reactions which are available. There's also a comment beside some of these reactions. So for example, in this case the reaction is already in the chemistry but with different coefficients. In this case we've got a possible 3-body reaction, so you can select whichever reactions you'd like to, click on OK, and that will pop up. You can see over here in the comments it will say which reactions have come from the QDB API link. And I think let's try and get a chemistry now, so get chemistry, OK. And what you'll see is a list of the chemistries which are available. I think I'll just click on an argon H2 chemistry. You will then be shown a list of the reactions which are present in the chemistry that you've selected. And if you click on these checkboxes here, it shows you which species have been removed and which reactions which correspond to those species have been removed. There'll be a comment beside it just letting you know why. So in this case it's a non-HPEM species, so it's not in the HPEM directory. And if that is the case and there's something specific that you're looking for, then do get in touch with us on the same email, so info@quantemol.com, and one of our experts will be in touch who can help you best. So let's click on OK. There we go, so we've got the list pop up over here. You've also got a quick reminder just asking you to check the initial densities. I will show you how to do that in just a second, so click on OK. So that reminder is essentially telling you to check your input parameters. So let's click on that tab over here, go to gas composition and flow rates, and if we just select argon, I'm just going to put 0.5. And the same with hydrogen, 0.5. There we go. And there's one more thing you want to check. So if we go back to chemistries and we go to species, the return species you want to check and make sure that they're all correct and they make sense. So in this case, we'll change this to H2, argon, and argon. And you will now be ready to run your simulation. Select run, and we can see the progress of that simulation. So there we have it. That's a quick overview of how to use QDB with your plasma modelling software. If you have any specific questions, or if you're using a different plasma modelling software and you want to find out how to make the most out of it, please do get in touch with us. I will put our contact details in the description below. If you have any suggestions or any questions that you'd like us to address in future tutorials, please do leave a comment. I will also pop some information in the description about Gold membership for anyone who wants to find out a little bit more, and I hope to see you in the next video.